everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Star Candy YouTube channel, and today we're going to be making some firework wax melts. So for step 1, we're going to fill the bottom of our pitcher with wax melt wax. So once it's filled with a thin layer on the bottom, we can put this over on our melter and we can get our second color ready. Now the reason I have color in these is because I was doing a video before and this is just some leftover wax. But just fill the bottom with your wax melt pellets and then we'll be adding our color. I'm going to add 1 dry blue to our pitcher on the melter and then 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder. I'm adding my second pitcher to the heater and I'm going to add 1 drop of red candle dye and another 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder. So once our blue wax has melted, we're ready to add to our clamshell. So I'm basically just going to get a pipette and pipette little drips of blue, very similar to how we did the Superman ice cream, but this time we're going to have a twist. So once we have the blue wax in there, kind of just put little dots of blue here and there. I'm going to add my red wax. And I'll have a link in the description to go to these pipettes if you're interested. I just get them in bulk. So I do a lot of videos like this. Our next step is going to be adding yellow liquid candle dye drops into each of the cells in our clamshell. So I'm literally just going to take the bottle of my liquid candle dye. I'll have a link to all the candle dyes I use in this video. But we're literally just going to put a drip into each of the cells and just kind of place them randomly. We're trying to imitate the randomness of a firework, so just put it in there wherever you'd like. So now that that's done, we're going to be able to fill in the rest of it with white and you'll see the magic happen. So our next step is going to be getting 4 ounces of wax and this is going to be our background. So we're going to get this melting on our heater until it reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And while we're waiting, we can add our mica powder. I'm going to add 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder to our wax. Another fun thing you can do if you want to get really fancy is take your mica powder and sprinkle it into our clamshell. So when our wax melt is done, you'll be able to see the mica powder and it kind of resembles stars. So once our white wax has hit 200 degrees Fahrenheit, we can take it off the heat and add in fragrance oil. And once that's mixed in and it's cooled down to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, you're ready to pour into your clamshell. My white wax just reached 160 degrees, so I'm going to pour into my clamshell. I'm going to let this fully solidify and I'll be right back. So the wax melt has solidified And make sure if you add fragrance oil, you wait at least 2 weeks before you unmold it. Then we can just turn this over and they should pop right out into little squares. Thank you everyone for watching. Please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below what wax melt video you want to see next. And you can use code YT15 for 15% off on our website. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.